How much should you actually spend on an Okuma spinning reel? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Seamar Graphite Lightweight 8BB. The Seamar Graphite Lightweight All-Purpose 8BB spinning reel caught my eye right away, especially with its price tag of $51.99. It's from Okuma, a brand known for quality, and with a rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 3,900 reviews, it's definitely worth a serious look if you want smooth and reliable performance. What's impressive here is the combination of its 8 stainless steel ball bearings and multi-disc carbon fiber drag washers. This means you'll get a super smooth reeling experience, which is crucial when you're out on the water fighting a big catch. The reel also features a maximum drag of 22 pounds, so it can handle some serious fish. The precision machine-cut brass pinion gear and corrosion-resistant materials ensure that this reel can withstand the test of time, especially in saltwater conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of reels that fail when you need them most, this one offers the reliability you can count on. Now, some people complain about the weight, feeling it's a bit bulkier than some ultralight options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for durability and performance, that slight weight increase might be worth it. It's sturdy, and for serious anglers, that's a solid trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're an enthusiast looking for a reliable reel without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're strictly after an ultralight option. For the price, you're getting great value here. Now, if that weight concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Seamar Lightweight All-Purpose 8BB. The Seamar Graphite Lightweight All-Purpose 8BB spinning reel priced at $45.29 is another great option from Okuma. With a similar rating of 4.7 stars from about the same number of reviews, it's hard to ignore. If you want a smooth reeling experience without spending a fortune, this is worth considering. This model features 7BB plus 1 RB bearings, which means it's designed for smooth operation. The multi-disc, oiled fell drag system is particularly good for adjusting your drag on the fly, helping you catch fish more effectively. It's lightweight, making it easier to handle during long fishing trips. The maximum drag capacity is around 2.27 kilograms, which is perfect for smaller to medium-sized fish. Here's why this matters. If you're targeting species that require finesse and precision, this reel gives you that edge. Now, some users mentioned that the drag might feel less robust compared to heavier models. But here's my take. If you're fishing in calmer waters or targeting smaller fish, this reel delivers just what you need without extra bulk. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or casual angler looking to get into spinning reels without a hefty investment. Skip this one if you're chasing larger species that require a stronger drag system. Overall, it's a solid entry-level reel. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more power. Product number 3. Seamar Professional Spinning Reel. Next up is the Seamar Graphite Lightweight All-Purpose 8BB Spinning Reel, priced at $61.99. It's slightly more expensive, yet it still holds a high rating of 4.7 stars over thousands of reviews. If you want lightweight comfort combined with professional-level quality, this is definitely worth a look. This model is designed with the serious angler in mind. Weighing just around 6 ounces, it's engineered for comfort with EVA handle knobs that make long days on the water easier. The graphite body construction gives it strength without the weight, and it's equipped with 8 stainless steel bearings for smooth reeling. The maximum drag of 2.7 kilograms is perfect for many fishing scenarios. Here's why this matters. When you're out there and a big one bites, having a lightweight reel that's easy to maneuver can make all the difference in your success. However, some users have pointed out that while it's great for handling smaller species, it may struggle a bit with larger fish. But honestly, if you're using it within its limits, this reel is a fantastic choice for finesse fishing. This is perfect for you if you're a serious angler focused on comfort and performance. Skip this one if you primarily fish for large game fish. For the features it offers, it's reasonably priced. Now, if the performance range of the last one left you wanting more, let's talk about a reel that's built for those larger catches. Product number 4. Avenger ABF-B Series Spinning Reel. The Avenger ABF-B Series Graphite Bait Feeder Saltwater Spinning Reel is next on my list at $61.76. With a 4.6-star rating from 2,600 reviews, it's a solid contender. If you want a reliable reel that holds up in saltwater and offers a bait feeding feature, this one's worth considering. What's cool about this reel is it's on OFF bait feeding system, which lets you disengage the spool so bait can run freely. This is a huge advantage when you're trying to catch fish that are a bit more cautious. The maximum drag is 13 pounds, which is pretty decent for saltwater fishing. Plus, its cyclonic flow rotor technology increases airflow to minimize corrosion, which is critical in saltwater environments. Here's why this matters for you. If you fish in tough saltwater conditions, this reel is designed to last. Some users did mention that the bait feeding system can be a bit tricky to get used to. But here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, it's a game changer for targeting certain species. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced angler looking to get an edge in saltwater fishing. Skip this one if you primarily fish in freshwater. Given its features, it offers great value for saltwater enthusiasts. Alright, that was a powerful option. But if you're still not convinced, let me share one more reel that's quite popular among anglers. Product number 5. Seamar Graphite Lightweight All-Purpose 8BB. Finally, we have the Seamar Graphite Lightweight All-Purpose 8BB Spinning Reel again at a price of $51.99. It shares the same great features as the first one, but comes with a few tweaks. If you're looking for an all-around reel that performs consistently, this is definitely worth a look. It has the same 8BB plus 1 RB bearing setup for ultimate smoothness and a maximum drag of 22 pounds. This means you'll have no problem bringing in larger fish. The precision engineering of this reel ensures that you're getting a product that's built to last. The corrosion-resistant body is a huge bonus for those who enjoy fishing in various conditions. Here's why this matters. If you want a reliable reel that you can trust for different fishing scenarios, this is it. However, some find that its drag adjustment can be a bit sensitive. But honestly, once you get used to that, it becomes easier to control your line and tackle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable reel that can tackle various fishing situations. Skip this one if you're only fishing in very specific conditions. For what you're getting, it's a great value. Now let's wrap this up. To wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 fantastic Okuma spinning reels. The Seamar Graphite offers great smoothness and reliability, while the bait-feeding Avenger model is perfect for saltwater anglers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's an option here for you. Choose wisely, and I hope you catch plenty out there.